know, every CEO has two versions of themselves. The one who's doing the best they can right now.
And the one they know they could be, with the right clarity, support, and structure.
Absolutely. This workshop is for the CEO who's really ready to bridge that gap.
To stop chasing everything and start leading from focus.
Yes. We help you step into the role that your business really needs. The one who guides the vision, the alignment, and the scaling.
Not just operations, not just putting out fires. You are so much more than that.
This is where strategy meets soul, where your values, your systems, and your voice all line up.
And when that happens, watch out. Your team will follow, your brand will shine, and your stress, it starts to shrink.
Whew, I can feel it already. But change starts with a decision, and yours is simple. Do you want to become the CEO you know you could be?
If the answer is yes, we want you to bring that +1, and let's make that happen.
I'm Suzanne, Tulien, Brand Clarity Catalyst with Brand Ascension.
And my name is Mark Biddle. I'm a business consultant with Connection Mark. Join us for the 6-week experience that could change everything.
Your next level leadership starts here. We'll
see
see
you
you
there.
there.